Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to read Balance Sheet Yahoo Finance Updated. Click the Financials tab, then select Balance Sheet and pick Annual or Quarterly View to begin. Scan current assets, long-term assets, current liabilities, long-term liabilities, and shareholder equity in that order. Note totals and changes to identify growth or risk. Use common size percentages to compare companies of different sizes for clearer insights and quick screening. In this video, I will explain how to read Balance Sheet Yahoo Finance Updated. Focus on current assets, cash balance, and accounts receivable first to assess liquidity. Then review long-term assets like PPE and intangibles for capital structure clues. Compare current liabilities to current assets for the working capital picture. Finally, check long-term debt and shareholders' equity to understand solvency and how the firm funds its operations. In this video, I will review how to read Balance Sheet Yahoo Finance Updated. If this guide helps you, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear videos. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great while you work through spreadsheets. It makes long analysis sessions oddly pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to read Balance Sheet Yahoo Finance Updated. Start with current ratio to test short-term liquidity and use debt to equity to gauge leverage level. Perform common size analysis to compare across firms regardless of scale. Watch for big shifts in inventory or receivables that may signal operational changes. Combine balance sheet findings with cash flow and income statement for a complete financial view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.